In this video, I am going to show you how to deposit money in Coinbase via bank transfer. Firstly, launch your web browser and go to the Coinbase website. Enter your credentials to sign into your Coinbase account. Once logged in, click on Trade from the main menu to go to the Trading section. On the left side of your screen, find the wallet balance and click on Deposit. Click on Currency Type, then choose USD from the drop-down menu. Click on Wire Transfer. Coinbase will provide you with a unique reference code for a personal account number required for the transfer. Follow the instructions provided on the screen to initiate the transfer from your bank. After initiating the transfer, the funds should be credited to your Coinbase account within 24 hours. Transfers initiated by 1 p.m. PT may arrive on the same day. Repeat these steps whenever you want to fund your Coinbase account via wire transfer. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.